Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use mods on Minecraft Pocket Edition using a Mac computer. As I was told, you need some help from your computer to use mods if you have an iOS device, and unfortunately you can't install mods on your device directly. But it's not that complicated, and once you have the software set up, access to your modded version is only a couple more clicks away than your original Minecraft access. So how do you install the software and the so-called server? Well, first let's create a folder on our desktop and call it server. On your computer, you have to open the site pocketmine.net, and the first thing you see is some options for you to download the required software. You go directly to this development build red button. Other options are usually not up to date with current Minecraft version. Choose the Mac OS version as we will install it on a Mac computer. On your computer, open the terminal application. The way to find it is either in Applications folder or through Find feature. On terminal, type cd then space and drag and drop server folder into terminal, then enter. From now on, terminal will know where your server folder is. Now let's download the software from pocketmine.net. You copy this snippet of code from here and paste it on your terminal and click enter. The downloading process starts. Okay, it's done now. And how do we start the server? Look here, this is the start command. So it's ./start.sh. So ./start.sh. The process of installation will begin as Setup Wizard. First, it will ask for the language. Which language you want to access on your server. We will choose English for our purposes. So click EN and enter. We have to agree to the license, so type Y for yes and enter. Then you don't want to skip the Setup Wizard, so type N and enter. The system asks you to give the server a name. I will call it mod server, but you can choose any name you want. Now you may choose a port. If you don't know exactly what port is, just click enter. This default port for Minecraft is 19132. This number may be necessary to use later when some of your friends want to join in. After this, it asks us what game mod by default your server will start in. If you're in the game for a while, you will probably choose survival. Click 0 and enter. How many players maximum do you want? Put 20. I guess that's enough to accommodate all your friends. Do you want to enable spawn protection? Probably yes. OP is another name for admin, so give it any name you're comfortable with and say admin. What is whitelisting? That's a list of your friends which allow you to join the server. If you don't want to bother about entering their names in the special list, then type N. Do you want to disable query? That's one of the technical details, probably not, so N and enter. What is Archon? Sounds like Archon. With this, you will need to connect to the server using password. If not, type N and enter. Now it gives us internal IP for your server. You may need it, so save it together with port number, which we've encountered and saved earlier. Click enter. Now it's all set up. Stop the server for now and just type stop, enter, and it will stop. If we go to our server folder, you will see folder plugins. This is the place where we put our plugins, which we want to use on our server now. Currently, there is none there. Let's put some mods there. Go back to the server folder, open Plugins folder by clicking on it, drag and drop our newly downloaded Toybox plugin file, then close it. Now it's time to start the server. Type /start.sh and enter again. You see that your server starts up. If you want to play on the server with your friends and you are on the same Wi-Fi network, you may use your internal IP and port IP to join. Now, when you want to make some changes like use different mods, get some mods disabled and new enabled, you have to remember that 1. You have to add or remove mods from your plugins folder, and 2. You have to stop the server by typing stop as a command in the server and then restart server again by typing refresh and clicking enter. Now have something to explore. Enjoy your modded Minecraft Pocket Edition.